All right, this is the outline section of this assignment. We have here a scavenger hunt, so the students have an opportunity to go around the classroom, go around the library, and ask questions and interact with their peers and the staff. So the first question is set example of the instructions. What state are we in? So the question is not really hard. The clues are not really hard either. They encourage interaction or asking question with the staff, the librarian, with another students. So as you see here in number two, it says what is Mr. Jones, the librarian is from. So when the student asks that staff a question, they will check what box is he from or she from. Um, Another thing, it also encourages interaction with this teacher. Um, So here, if you see the first and last name of the teacher is NY. The first and last initial is NY, so they will find out, or they can just pretty much use this clue to answer this question. Um, another thing about it, though, the clues are either on a desk or on a door, so they will have to go to that location and locate it. There's also here one here on the book. So it's not hard places that the clues are that the clues would be at. It's just they would just have the opportunity to go around looking for it. Another unique thing about this sheet is I intentionally placed two questions on here just to eliminate any distractions for students with special needs. And another cool thing about this worksheet is I put a map at the bottom here so students can have a kind of idea of what to make reference to, or kind of gain knowledge on where about the maps in the 50 states as well. Last thing is, of course, before they start the assignment, they'll have to put the name and the date on here. So that's it, guys.